Hey y'all, come on in. We are trying to figure out a way to use all of our tomatoes and cucumbers that are in major abundance right now at the farmer's market. So we're gonna make a yogurt cucumber tomato dip. You can use it on rice dishes. If you eat meat, you can put it alongside meat. It tastes fabulous. You could just use bread and dip it in there, or you could eat it by itself because it's so delicious. We're gonna start by cutting our tomatoes into pieces. With these little oblong ones, I kind of like to go lengthwise and then halfway. And these probably need it a little bit smaller than that, so maybe we'll do it in thirds and then half again. I like that. I think that's a good size for this salad. Look how beautiful this purple bell pepper is. You're not gonna find this at a grocery store. You're gonna find like your red, yellow, and orange, but look how pretty it is inside. So excited to add this. So our salad is a rainbow salad, essentially. We have red, yellow, orange, purple, green, and so it's gonna be very beautiful. A little tip for how you can store your basil. When you get it at the farmer's market, usually it just comes in this huge bunch, say, versus at the grocery store and it's in that little plastic container. So what I do is I come home, I cut off the ends, put it in a glass jar with water, and I actually just leave it sitting on my counter. And this has been here for 5 days. And I'll just keep filling it up with water, but it keeps it so nice and fresh, and I'll just pull it off over the days when I'm using it. And then my mint, I got outside from my yard. I have some mint growing. And then we're gonna also do dill. Measuring with my heart. So we'll just see what the right balance is. We'll start with 2 big scoops. I wish y'all could smell this. The basil, mint, dill, tomatoes, the cucumber, green onion. It's delicious. Salt and pepper for taste. Time to taste test. So first I'm going to try it on its own without any accompaniments. Very light, refreshing. Try some on some bread. See if I like that better. It didn't make much of a difference.